if z equal to x plus iy and argument of z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 2, then show that the locus of p is x square plus y square is equal to 1. Here p is a complex number which denote z equal to x plus iy, then the locus is x square plus y square equal to 1. That means circle. When if it is z minus 1 z plus 1, that argument is pi by 2, then it is circle. So here let us say iy is equal to iy, we know, adding 0 on both sides. Here argument of z is equal to pi by 2, it means that real part is equal to 0, that is x equal to 0 or minus x equal to 0. Here 0 is replaced by x, here 0 is replaced by minus x. Here minus is taken out on the right hand side, so minus of x minus iy, this is nothing but the conjugate of the left side complex number. Here x plus iy is equal to minus of x minus iy, this is x, so this is z, this z bar, so z equal to minus z bar, or z bar is equal to minus z. The conjugate of the complex number is negative of the complex number. Solution: given that argument of z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 is equal to pi by 2, then their complex number conjugate is equal to negative of that given complex number. That is, here is the complex number, both numerator and denominator. So look at the formula: z1 by z2 whole bar is equal to z1 bar divided by z2 bar. So using that conjugate, z bar minus 1 divided by z bar plus 1, here minus multiplied into the numerator, minus z plus 1, denominator same. Cross multiplying z bar minus 1 into z plus 1, here cross multiplying z bar plus 1 into minus z plus 1. Here z bar into z, that is z bar, z bar into 1 z bar, here minus 1 into z minus z, minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Again on the right hand side, z bar, that is minus z bar, z bar into 1 plus z bar, 1 into minus z plus 1 into 1. Next step, z bar cancel on both sides, minus z also can cancel. Here what is remaining? Z bar minus 1, right hand side minus z bar plus 1. Here writing this one, minus z bar left side becomes, it is plus z bar, so twice the z bar. Here 1 plus 1 2, so z bar is equal to 1. So we have the formula for z bar is nothing but the modulus of z square, so that modulus of z square is equal to 1. We have the formula for modulus of z, root of x square plus y square, so modulus of z square taking square on both sides, so modulus of z square equal to x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the required locus of P. Here look at the circle. Here this is the locus of the complex number which are in the form of z minus 1 by z plus 1. Their argument always pi by 2. This is the locus of the complex number of in the form z minus 1 by z plus 1. Take any point on the circle, say 0, 1 is a point on the circle P. Let P is equal to 0, 1 on the circle. Here z equal to I, subtracting minus 1, so z minus 1, here is I minus 1, adding plus 1, z plus 1, I plus 1, z minus 1 by z plus 1, so minus 1 plus I, here 1 plus I, so multiplying by both numerator and denominator by conjugate of the denominator, so 1 minus I by 1 minus I. Here 1 minus I multiplying, here numerator becomes minus I minus 1 plus I minus I square, denominator 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 2 I by 2. After cancelling this one, 2i by 2 equal to I. So z minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to I. This is 0 plus I. That is argument taking on both sides. Argument of 0 plus I, that is argument of z minus 1 by z plus 1 is what? So argument of 0 plus I, that means tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Imaginary part 1, real part 0. Tan inverse of 1 by 0 is nothing but pi by 2. So if you take any point on the circle, x square plus y square equal to 1, that is unit circle. For example, I am taking 0, 1. If you take any point on the circle, that is, suppose taking z equal to 0, 1, that is I, that complex number will give the argument z minus 1, z plus 1 argument is pi by 2. Not only for this complex number, this circle has infinite number of points. For all points, when you write z minus 1, z plus 1 in the form, then the complex number argument is also pi by 2. This is the locus of P is a circle. The locus of P is circle. That is, locus of P is x square plus y square equal to 1. That's all.